And here we are, guys. So yesterday, when the guys were doing the leaf springs, starting to prep everything, getting the axle seals and everything taken care of, taking the drums and everything off so we can get this taken care of, the parts went into our bath. They were just bad. So here are, let's see what we got. Okay, that is a shock and leaf spring bracket. A light scrub with a brush to get the loose debris. Oh, wait, it's coming off with my finger. That just looks a million times better. I mean, that almost looks damn near brand new. Legitimately, that looks almost brand new. Wow. I mean, this stuff, literally, it's just coming off with my fingers. This stuff is amazing. Yep. Okay, let's see if we can find them. Oh, there we go. There's two of them. Holy cow. Wow. Just amazing. All right, well, let's see what we got. There's that one, there's that one. There we go. I can't believe it. I'm literally blown away. Every time I use this stuff, it does nothing but make me happy. I mean, that's a gentle scrub to get the last bit of stuff off. Here's the other one. Yeah. Just with my fingers. I mean, just, I absolutely love this stuff. Wow. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. There's the leaf spring bolt, which looks brand new. I'll scrub up the last little bit of, well, scrub the last little bit clean on these things. And I'll start, I mean, look, it's coming off on my hands. That's just amazing. But, all right, guys, I will let you go and start doing my job. On that note, love y'all.